Traspie.
Traspie. Pie, foot.
Traspie.
Traspie.
Tras-
Traspie. Traspie. What is traspie?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor, ready to show you the traspie.
Yes, we were talking about what traspie is. So we are here to show you the difference between traspie and one very similar one.
Yes, so don't confuse traspie with rock step.
Exactly.
For the traspie, let us show you the side traspie on the side step. We stop and we step with the same leg, going to the next figure, any figure. Now, it's usually confused with rock step, which is this one. Rock step and go. So it's totally different if you rock step and re-step. It doesn't look at all like traspie.
Yes.
So for traspie, one more time, we are
doing the side step the same?
Yeah, we do stop, like somebody's taking a picture of your foot, and then we re-step with the same legs extended to the same direction and keep going to the next. Now we can do traspie also on the back step for the leader and front step for the follower. Let's show you that.
It'll look like this. This is the most common one. Traspie and walk to the side and continue to another figure, of course. So here's the thing. Make sure, especially in this one, back for the leader, it's very common to do it wrong this way, which is another figure. It's not wrong, but it's another figure. Don't do this. Pam, 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 pa, pa, pam, pa, pa, pam. It's not wrong, but it's a rebote, rock step. It's a bouncing.
It's a different step.
Totally different step. If you want to, and that rebote takes more time for you. Traspie will allow you to do it faster. Ta, 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 ta. Yes?
Yeah, it's sharper.
Exactly. So you don't have the bouncing and all the time that requires. So traspie is one, stopping in the middle of the step. Basically, you are taking a regular step by stopping, and from here continue without coming back to the front. Continue to the back. Yes, and then side or whatever.
Now let's do traspie, moving backwards for the followers and front for the leaders. So we do a side step, front for the leader, back for the follower, and that was the traspie.
Yes.
Let's try one more time so they can see the moment. Side step, here's the traspie. Stop, re-step, and resolution. It's very important for both. When you stop, don't transfer body weight, so we are not moving back, just posing. And then use the same leg. So you have to have body weight, in my case, on the front leg, in the leader's case, on the back leg, to be able to do this. From here, extension of the same foot, and then transfer body weight. That is traspie.
Yes.
Stop, extension, stop, extension, stop, extension, stop, extension, stop. So this is traspie. It means a fake move.
Yes. It doesn't have an exact translation from Spanish to English. In English, I don't think we have that word, but maybe.
Probably we don't know the word. I'm sorry if you know the word, write it on the comments below. But we know that when we explain this, we say this is like a fake step or a double step.
Double step. That'll be, basically a double step because we are doing it 2 times with the same leg without coming back. Other ways, if we rebound, it'll be a rebote. Totally different thing.
So use traspie tonight at the Milonga on social dancing and you will enjoy it a lot.
Before you leave, let us do the 3 traspie in one figure. Just very simple square. Starting. Traspie, tan, tan, traspie, tan, tan, para, wapa, pam, pam, wam, pam, pam, with the syncopation at the end.
So now you know, now you can use it.
Traspie is a very fun figure to use in Milonga especially, and also rhythmic tangos.
We hope you enjoy it and use it right away.
Make sure to drop a like, share with your friends, and leave a comment if you want to learn something new. We are going to make sure that we work that for you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.